Solving simultaneous equations. One method is to use the method of elimination. Solve, let's do this by example. X plus 2y is equal to 8 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 14. What we're going to do here is to make the numbers in front of the x's the same. We already have 2 here, so if we multiply the first equation by 2, we need to make sure that we do everything along the line. So we do 2x plus 4y is equal to 16. Be careful on the last term here because a lot of people would forget to multiply that last term by 2. And the second equation will leave exactly the same. Right, we should actually number the equations 1 and 2, and because here the signs are the same in front of the variable we're going to eliminate, both plus, we will subtract. So if we do 2x minus 2x, we get nothing. That was the idea. We've eliminated one of the variables. 4y plus 3y, take away 3y, sorry, is y, and 16 take away 14 is 2. If we substitute into equation 1 our value of y, so we take this equation here, okay, and then instead of y we now put 2, which is what we got over here, okay, and we now get a linear equation to solve. So we're going to get x plus 4 is equal to 8, and then we need to take 4 from both sides, take 4 from there, take 4 from there. So we're going to get x is equal to 4, and then we're going to check our answers in this one, equation 2, by replacing the x with 4 and the y with 2. Okay, working out 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 2 is 6, which is equal to 14. So that agrees with the last term 14, so we know we got the answer correct. The final answer will be x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. Let's do a second example. Let's solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 5, and 5x minus 2y is equal to minus 16. In this equation, we're going to try and make the coefficients in front of the y's the same. So we'll multiply the top one by 2 and the bottom one by 3, making the coefficient in front of y 6 and minus 6 respectively. Okay, labelling the equations, multiply the top one by 2, so we're going to get 4x plus 6y is equal to 10, and 15x minus 6y is equal to minus 48. Again, be careful to multiply the last two terms. Okay, because the variable in front of these two is the same, plus and a minus, we need to this time add the two equations. So 4x, so we've got 4x plus 15x is equal to 19x, and 10 plus minus 48 is minus 38. X will be minus 38 divided by 19, which is minus 2. We now substitute into one of the two equations, so just to substitute into equation 1. So instead of x here, we will now put minus 2. Okay, so we're going to have 2 times minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 5. It's going to be minus 4 plus 3y is equal to 5. We should now add 4 to both sides. We get 3y is equal to 9, and divide by 3 we get y is equal to 3. If we check in 2, so we're now going to check in this one here, we're going to put x to minus 2 and y to 3. We get 5 times minus 2 times 3, which is minus 10, take away 6, which is minus 16. Therefore x will be equal to minus 2 and y will be equal to 3.